Alright, we're down here at Speedway, and they got saran wrapped up. The lights are out in there, but this traffic light's out, which makes me think this small area here has no power. But I guess I won't be getting that breakfast sandwich over there. I knew that was going to happen. I ate already. I've never seen that before. That's a good idea. Had the right idea, building up high like that. You have to do that, by the way. You have to, in new codes, you have to build up. I don't know if that came along after Katrina or, I don't know. Here's some protection on that door. That's pretty good stuff. Here's the blown sand. That's a pain to pick up. Here's, oh no, God no. Well, somebody, Paul Pavilions buying a new sign. Sorry guys. That bird's flying against a pretty stiff wind, which you can hear. Sorry about the wind noise. There's nothing you can do about that. I'll just try and talk over it. Ooh, yeah, the water came up here. That's expected, though. Even a tiny surge would do that. Huh. Well, that guard tower looks moved. I have to wonder if the crews moved it or it got moved. Well, we still have some decent wind, which I guess I don't have to tell you. Oh yeah, look at that. But looks good out. I mean, granted, yeah, there's some stuff laying around, but this looks great out here. I don't see any missing beach, which was what was my, obviously you don't want that to happen, and it looks like it didn't, and that's fantastic. And the wind just keeps getting stronger. These are huge waves for us. This wind's coming almost directly out of the west, whatever that means. So, not exactly pretty, but we'll have this cleaned up in a short while. Back to putting our towels out here. I wonder if there's good shelling out here. Good morning, Paul. Mix. I've seen the office here, where I'm going right now, the Florida Beach Rentals office. It has power. The intersection I just walked through over there doesn't. And that's kind of the story of our county. Apparently, right after the storm, it was 60% down. So they have their work ahead of cut out for them. It takes a while to get that stuff back. It takes a while just to get one back. I can't imagine that much. So yeah, there's some power out here, but we all knew that was going to happen, so I hope everyone was prepared. It was no sweat at my house. It just, everything was prepared, and so that was no biggie. You wish you were here? Well, I mean, temperature's great. Actually, That's the best part. The temperature here is fantastic. It feels great. Here's one. Here's a shell. Perfectly good one. Alright. I'm going to keep that one. Tell you what, if you come into the Florida Beach Rentals office and you ask for this shell, we'll give it to you. Oh, there we go. Sorry. I got phone confused. Here's something interesting. I think that might have been a jellyfish. Yeah, Deborah, I know. Oddly, though, most of them are broken up here, which maybe was from the surf or something. It's a good deal, folks. I'm happy with the way this looks. Granted, I mean, just ignore the seagrass. We got machines that clean that up. Hang on. Alright. Some of my dishes in this bag. It's heavy as hell. I gotta clean my silverware with some hot water, which the office has, so I would have liked to actually bring a box with my plates, but the good news is my water heater held onto its warm water, so I've not had to take super cold showers. Okay, I think we have a celebrity here on the beach. It's Wilson. Wilson has washed up on Clearwater Beach. When I look at these dunes, I doubt if you can see it on this tiny little screen, but you can see that they're all dusted with sand. That sounds ridiculous, but they look different, like they got heaped up with sand they didn't have on them before. Looks nice, huh? We don't usually get waves. Alright guys, I'm going back to the office, which is this way. Thanks for tuning in. Looks like we scored here and did well, so that's awesome. I know you can hardly hear me. I'm sorry. Anyway, I'm going back to the office, and we'll update you if we got something cool that we can share with you, and just keep you updated on how we're doing here. All right, have a good morning.